Alright, 60-second van tour Shope.
What's up? This is my van.
Oh man, it's the 80, what year is it?
8.5.
Whoa, it's so cool looking.
Let me show you all the most important things. This is where I keep my paper towels.
That's important.
All my dishes with paper towels. Very important. Also, everybody's got a Vanagon. So mine is only different in a couple ways. I have this nice plush red stuff. I got rid of the fridge in here and put in this other shelving, which is very simple, but it works. And the gutter stock.
Oh wow,
comes
a gutter.
stock. I have these nice lights for use instead of you know, other lights.
Just so y'all know, Shope wanted to clean up before this, but it looks pretty goddamn clean to me.
I like to run a
the
tight
green
ship.
lights, I like that. I like that.
Oh, could be green, could be this color.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Depends on which.
Nice lights you got there.
Depends on. Yeah, those are cool.
Other than that,
dude, it's a minute. I don't know. This one's gonna be a little bit longer.
this is all the junk. This is where the junk goes.
All right, where could they find you?
Anywhere, wherever I roam.
Wherever he is. Fanning ain't no joke. Say it.
Vanning ain't no joke.
Cool.